And in today's video I want to do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison between this Mega 16-bit, the Sega with Alien Tech, and the Sega Genesis number 3, the core system. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I just want to do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison, and I just want to show you what are the differences between the system and how it's with the compatibility if you look at the original games, multi-cards and MegaDrive. So let's do a little bit of a side-by-side and let's start with the controllers. As you can see here, these things look identical, and to be honest, they are. If you look at the shell, the way how it's made, it's still both got the chemical plastic smell. The little difference is the cable length. The cable length of the Mega, they get it. Just make a freaking long cable. And not like this Sega clone ripoff with this NES Mini short cord. The freaking nightmare of short cables. So yeah, this is what we're going to get. They both get a flimsy touch. I must say, I hope you can hear it on the microphone, but the Mega got a better touch to it. They look identical, but still they are different. Even the D-pad. I must say the D-pad of this one is of the Sega is better, but I did some reviews about them. The funny thing is they feel like crap, a crappy bootleg controller, but they play. And they play pretty damn nice. Alright, the system itself, as you can see, it got the same shell. It got this Genesis 3 knockoff shell. Both got no weight to them, so the PCB board inside is pretty damn small. There are some slightly small differences if you look at, for example, the port of the controller, but at the side we are finding the same connectors. So it only got another decal of the Sega Genesis 3, and this one got Mega 16-bit. This is the one with Alien Tech, no less processing power, no Alien Tech, people. So I did a review about them, both of them, check them out, but before you're going to do it, I'm going to do a little bit of just talking what are the differences if you look at the compatibility. The Mega 16-bit, here's the really funny thing. Original games like Sonic 3 and Knuckles, one of my favorite games, works perfectly. On the Genesis 3 clone, it doesn't work. Nope, it doesn't see. It's only recognizing one card. So, for me personally, the Genesis 3 is a no-go. The MegaDrive didn't work on this one, the Mega 16-bit, but did work on the Genesis 3. And the multi-cards, and I tried a couple of them, they work on the 16-bit, and they work just fine, but it didn't work on the Genesis 3. So, both of the systems doesn't have a 100% compatibility if it comes to different kind of games or cartridges. So pretty damn weird, don't you think? Alright, we're going to do a little bit of a sneak peek within the system, and as you can see already, it's a little bit identical. There are some differences between the two systems. Keep in mind, left one, that is the Mega one, or the Alien Tech system, and the right one is the Sega Knockoff. The Mega, let's say the Mega 16-bit system, got a little bit of a dirty connector. It looks like they got a wear on it, that it has been used for a couple of years. It's got a pretty damn basic PCB board. And this is the Genesis Knockoff. And as you can see here, it looks like a brand new PCB board. And the connector itself is pretty damn nice. Alright, this one is made in 2015. So the Mega 16-bit with Alien Tech inside is a couple of years newer. Because if you're checking this PCB board, you can see this one is from 2013. So, alright. The Sega Genesis 3 Knockoff is made from 2013, so it is 2 years older. And for the final part of this comparison, we are going to check out the box itself. Funny thing is, they got the same layout, but the Sega Genesis 3 box is way bigger than the 16-bit Knockoff, or the one with the Alien Tech. So this completes this little side-by-side quick comparison between the two systems. Yeah, in overall, the Mega 16-bit is my personal best, because I can play my Sonic 3 and Knuckles combination card. So, sorry guys, that is for me and go. And very big green light. But yeah, of course, keep in mind, nothing beats the original Sega from the 90s. So if you want to have that great experience like the old times, or you're just a new gamer, you want to buy and just play these old games on a real original 90s gaming console, buy the real deal. Because if you look at both of these systems, nothing comes as close to the real deal. It's always a little less, or a little bit less, or just freaking horrible. And yeah, what I'm trying to say with this is that, again, this concludes this review. Nothing beats the original system with blast processing power. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.